2018 Toyota Highlander. Let's program it. As always, start with the 608. Turn on the ignition. Fire up the system. We're looking for a Toyota. We're going to let it auto select itself. Let's read the VIN. And the VIN has been read. We are going to add keys, or add smart keys, push start. It is a Highlander 2018, yes. Let's go to hot function. I believe it's a type 1, but smart key. We want to add. Let's go ahead and hit the button to start it. It's checking for a registered key. Turn on the warning lamps. Let's find that. Boom. We're going. Hit OK. Must be done within a specific time. It's reading the registered key. Position 5 for learning. We need to find that. Okay, let's learn the key. Start. Warning lamps are on. Okay. It's searching. Tells us the position. Okay. Put the learned key next to the start. Boom. You heard the beep. Put the smart key to be learned to the slot. Sorry, I'm all twisted up here. Let's do this. Listen for the beeps. There's 2 beeps. It's registering. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Succeed. Okay. Now all we got to do is try it. So I've entered 2 brand new keys. So we're going to do this. First, we're going to go back to the original key. Just going to put it right here, see if it starts. We have success. Let's try the next key. That, my friends, was the 2018 Highlander. Right here, quick pick, lock and safe. High-tech redneck. Let's go. Thanks for watching. We'll keep making more.